Jim McGregor. I'm here with Wallace Santos, founder of MainGear, and we're talking about what they're calling the revolution in PC design. And I have to admit, just looking at these PCs, this looks freaking awesome. So tell us exactly what we're looking at.
Sure thing. Thanks for visiting us. Well, this is going to be a limited drop, right? So we're just showing a concept right now here at CES with MSI. And we're showing off here Project Zero, which is MSI's name for the actual motherboard, and we're showing it in combination with MGRC. MGRC is our technology where you move the connectors to the opposite side of the board. And if you actually zoom in here, you'll see that there's no visible cables. And
other than the cooling,
other than the liquid cooling tubes for the all-in-one. Yeah, so basically, it's a pretty simple concept, right? You solder all the connectors on the opposite side of the board, basically eliminating the cables on this side, right? And that does a couple of things. First, it's basically gonna have a much better looking computer.
Oh yeah.
So your build is just more aesthetically pleasing. There's also less turbulence in the airflow because there's no cables and obstructing the airflow. And believe it or not, you're actually saving some money too with the sleeving, right? So in the enthusiast space and in the system builder space, we pay premium for sleeve power supply cables because we want the inside of the PC to look better. By eliminating that, you don't have to pay premium for the cables, right? So basically, at the end, you get just a really clean computer, right? That looks beautiful and performs really well, while being acoustically sound. And we're here at CES showing it off with MSI. MSI is the only partner at CES that's actually working with us to unveil the technology, and expect this to roll out in much.
Can we look at the backside?
Sure. I'm not sure if I can open this guy, but yeah, we can try here. Let's try. Maybe. Hey, Matt, can you open the backside for me? I'm not sure how to. Do we have the screws in back there? I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Okay.
Oh, we can look at one of the other ones.
So yeah, let's go to. There's another one that's pretty accessible here. I think MSI has. This is just to show you the basic idea without anything, right? Without a GPU. Mm-hmm. But it also enables you to build a computer much faster, much quicker, right?
Yeah.
So like when you do cable management, it takes, depending on your experience, it can take anywhere from 1 hour to multiple hours, so even days, depending on the person. If you really want to manage those cables, your cable ties, zip ties, cutting and managing it, like in our case, we actually cut custom combs. We laser cut cable combs to actually keep the cables flat and the way they should look. And by just moving it to the opposite side of the board with MGRC, you eliminate all that. Right, and here's the idea. Let me see if this guy here. I think this is not our chassis, so that's pardon me. But yeah, so you get the idea here. You can literally just plug everything in 5 minutes and hide.
So when are we going to see these motherboards and maybe systems out in the market?
It'll be available very soon. These boards are not concepts; they're being announced here at CES. So okay. MSI, I would inquire with them, but should be on shelf relatively soon.
That's awesome.
And from the MainGear side, you'll have limited edition systems, which we call drops, within a couple of weeks as well.
And
first system will be the MSI Project Zero drop on MainGear.com.
And these are going to be for both AMD and Intel-based solutions?
Yeah, I mean, it's not limited to either silicon manufacturer. It's basically, both sides will have boards from AMD and Intel.
Well, that's great. I love the design. So thank you very much, Wallace.
Thank you. Thank you for visiting. Appreciate it.